What's happening, OGs? We're back today. We're gonna do a little Blackstone stir fry action. We got chicken, steak, veggies, and some rice. So hang with us. Come on, let's go. Alright guys, we got the Blackstone heated up right now. It's on like a medium right now. So we'll go ahead and get our oil down. We're just using regular olive oil. Get our chicken and our veggies down first. The beef won't take very long, so like I said, we got just some cut up sirloin. We got some marinated garlic parm chicken, and then I already pre-cut all the veggies. So we got broccoli, zucchini, red pepper, onion, water chestnuts, and I seasoned it with garlic powder, salt, pepper, EverGlades Heat, and I think that was it. Oh, and then the stir fry seasoning, which we'll throw on right at the end. And I did a little bit of soy sauce, light soy sauce. So we do have some rice that I already cooked that was left over from the other night. We'll throw that in with the veggies right at the end just to warm it up. So keep hanging with us. So it's important to remember when you're using or cooking, raw chicken on the Blackstone. That's why they make these the heavy-duty plastic, so you can sit your spatulas right down on the Blackstone, and that kills any of the bacteria that's on there from the chicken. So before you switch back over to the veggies, even though it's going to eventually kill it off, but that'll help keep some of it out. So we'll close the lid and let the vegetables steam. And we'll be right back. Alright, let's give it a look-see. Got about 5 minutes or so. Still got my chicken side down to about medium. And the veggies are starting to soften up nice. I did forget there's mushrooms in it as well, so you can add whatever you like. I mean, it's just basic stir fry. That's a nice thing with Blackstones is you can cook about anything on them. You can do stir fry, anything breakfast, even a seared steak really good on it. So I'm just about ready to add the steak to it. I'll add a little bit of soy sauce, a little chicken, and their veggies. Using light to watch my figure. Like I said, we got a little bit of cooked rice. We'll throw that in right at the end. Listen to that sizzle. Let that cook for a few minutes and keep hanging with us, guys. So it's been about 5 minutes maybe, and the steak's pretty much done, so we'll go ahead and add our rice in here. We'll add the rest of our stir fry seasoning. And some soy sauce. We'll just mix it all together. I'm gonna leave the chicken separate just because my wife's not a big chicken eater. Weston's inside taking a rest, having a little snack. Alright, it's literally been 15 minutes maybe and everything's done, so just leave it on low. We'll go in and get a big sheet pan and we'll come back out and put it all scooped up. I found the best way to transfer food from the Blackstone is just a good old cooking sheet. And sit it right there on the edge and just transfer it over. I have the 22-inch. It's kind of like the Adventure Blackstone. It's not. They didn't come out with that until about a year after I got this, but it's a 22-inch. Has a collapsible stand on it with a bag and everything, so we can take it camping with us. Pretty nice. Like I said, you can do pancakes, sausage, bacon, and all that good stuff right on here. So we'll leave that going. We'll see you in the house.
What are you doing here? I'm saving the day. How big?
All right, buddy, it's time to eat. Let's eat, guys. All right, Weston's finally up from his little rest. Weston, you want to give the Blackstone stir fry a good try for me? It's right there. There's steak, chicken, broccoli. You pick what you want to try. Chicken? Is that good? Yeah? All right. Let Dada give it a try.
Alright, so I did a strawberry, blueberry, spinach salad with a balsamic dressing on that. And then we got our stir fry here. So let's give her a try. I'm gonna go with a piece of beef and broccoli. Can't beat a good old stir fry. Like I said, it is yummy as that. 15-20 minutes. Took me about 5 minutes to prep. And you get yourself an amazing stir fry. So thanks for hanging with us, guys. If you enjoyed the content, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for future videos, and shoot straight.